If I be very honest, tomorrow is the time when PM Narendra Modi is going to meet Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu. We all have been thinking about this entire meet into some different prospect. I mean, Israel and India have been a very good friend since a very long time, but they have been not in connection and not in contacts for a longer period of time since Israel was so busy in the war. And India has always supported Palestine and Israel two-state theory, where they feel like where India supports that Palestine should has their autonomous status and all of that. In spite of all of that, right now PM Narendra Modi and Benjamin Netanyahu are still going to meet together and all of that. And Benjamin Netanyahu is actually planning to add India in this entire alliance which he's going to make. That is known as hexagon alliances, in which you see countries like India, Greece, Africa, and all of those people, and Central and many other countries of Central Asia would be there. So that is what Israel have been planning. Israel wants that they should plan an alliances, and this entire hexagon alliances basically based on defense ties and all of that, and it should come against the radicals out there. With radical, they have their correct notion going towards Iran, then Turkey and Pakistan, and many other countries which are not much in alliance with India. But the problem is that Turkey and Pakistan have never been really a good friend of India, so it wouldn't be a bigger loss for us if we don't go there. But it will be a very big loss for us that if we are going against Iran. I mean, you need to understand this one thing: Iran, Russia, all of that have been good allies of India, but throughout this entire process, if India loses Iran, that is where the problem is right now. And this is about the defense ties, and Israel have been always, against Iran's regime, against Iran's Khamenei's entire era and all of that. So India out here, how is India going to be stable and still maintain relations with both the countries? How is India still going to react on this entire matter? That is something we are looking forward. So let's just see tomorrow when Prime Minister Narendra Modi meets Benjamin Netanyahu, what are we having and what is going to happen, and what kind of trade deals going to come to all of us. Because since PM Narendra Modi has become a top lister when it comes to FTA, so we are actually waiting for that if we can have it with Israel as well, then there'll be a time where we can actually have weapons and all of that exported to India in a very discounted manner or rates. Thank you so much. If you like such geopolitical scoop, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe Global Shark.